I know it's rainy season in Ghana, but I also swear it's summer. So today I'm bringing you this refreshing cocoa drink, which you can convert to ice cream. And it's also an awesome business idea if you want to make some money. My mother in law shared this recipe, and trust me, it's so good. So in my saucepan on fire, I'm going to go in with some unsweetened cocoa powder. Yes, no sugar in the cocoa powder is the bitter one, okay? And then I'm adding some sugar and water. So what I'm going to do is to stir and allow this to boil on fire for about 15 minutes. So the reason why I stressed on unsweetened cocoa powder is because if you use the sweetened one, you will not get the exact or same results you desire from this recipe, okay? The unsweetened cocoa powder is the best for this recipe. And don't worry about the lumps you see. Once your cocoa powder mixture is heated up a bit, you realize that they will all begin to dissolve and all of the lumps will disappear. I realized the water was not enough, so I added in a bit more and then kept stirring on fire till the mixture began to heat up and boil over. If this is your first time here, my name is Yasmi. Hello there. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. And also give me a thumbs up on the video if you like what you're watching already. Leave your comments down below when you're done watching and let me know what you think about this cocoa drink, which you can turn into a potential side hustle, okay? So just like in my Sobolo video I shared recently, my cocktail, right? The reason why you normally add the sugar on fire is to make sure that the end result is not too light. We don't want a situation whereby the drink will be too light or the ice cream will not be creamy, if you like. Okay, so add the sugar on fire and keep stirring. Also, I went in with some vanilla essence for flavor. You can use any essence of your choice or any flavor of your choice, okay? And then I'll allow this to cool down completely. That's, of course, after turning off my fire. And then I'll go ahead and mix my powdered milk. So it's just the powdered milk and water, okay? This is the brand I use. You can go to the market and just look for any non-dairy creamer and then use it for this recipe, okay? So the measurements will be in the description box for this particular recipe. So you can tweak it as you wish, or you can eyeball all the measurements actually and then use this to make some money, or like use it as your side hustle, whatever, main or side business, that's fine, okay? So into my bowl goes my powdered milk and then some cold or chilled water. Yes, my mother-in-law recommends that you use cold or chilled water. To be honest, I don't know why, but yeah, it works perfectly. So once everything is mixed up properly, what you're going to do is to make sure your cocoa drink mixture is cooled down completely before you add in your powdered milk mixture, if that makes sense, okay? So essentially, you need four main ingredients. So that's your unsweetened cocoa powder, your sugar, and then your powdered milk and water, if that's even an ingredient. The flavoring or essence is very optional, okay? But it gives it a very nice smell after everything is done. So once everything is mixed up together beautifully, go ahead and get your cups, your bottles, your rubber, and then fill them. So you can tie them if you have school kids to sell to in the rubber, of course. You can put them into the cups and then do like the Abele walls if you have school kids and grown-ups who have sweet mouths, okay? And then you can put them in the bottle as well. So it can either be a drink or ice cream. Essentially, how you price the cocoa drink or ice cream is up to you. Just survey your area and then calculate the cost of your ingredients and then know how to sell the ice cream or drink. And then, yeah, these are the three ways I mentioned, okay? Just freeze them up and then you're good to go. I certainly hope today's video has been helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Share when you're done watching. Certainly give me a thumbs up on this video. And let's keep the family growing. And until we see each other again, keep blooming.